check that venues, facilities, tools, supplies, and equipment needed in this qualification with the standard set in the training regulation prior to the start of this competency assessment. Good morning, trainees. Welcome to Bellman Institute of Technology Training and Assessment Center, accredited by ESDA. I am Ruel Piang, your competency assessor for food and beverage guest service MC2. Before anything, I would like to acknowledge the presence of our TESTA representative, Ms. Arabel S. Garnio, and our assessment center manager, Mr. Wilson Pama. Do not worry about the present. They are just here to observe and check the conduct of assessment in our accordance with the prescribed competency assessment with methodology and procedures. Before we proceed to our orientation, I will just get the assessment package from our TESDA representative, Ms. Arabel S. Garnio. They have the assessing package. Please, thank you. This assessment package contains all the materials needed for this assessment. For the checking of attendance, once your name is called, please come and front and present to me your admission slip and your valid ID. Candidate number 1 may have your admission slip and valid ID. Please sign the attendance sheet and will be candidate number 1. Here is your candidate number. Candidate number 2 may have your admission and valid ID sign in the attendance sheet. You will be candidate number 2. Here is your candidate number. This is where your candidate number tag because I will use to identify you throughout the assessment program. I have here with me your accomplished application form and assessment guidance and indication that you know and you can perform all the units of competency enumerated food and beverages service, and that to what is forcing you to take this assessment. The purpose of this assessment is to measure your knowledge, skills, and attitude as well as to determine the level of your competence. If you meet the minimum requirement for this assessment, you will be receiving a national certificate of food beverages service for you to use in job application or job promotion, whether here in local or in abroad. This qualification is composed of 3 main competencies: the basic, common, and core. The core competencies were prepared dining room, restaurant, and area for service, welcoming the guests and take food orders, promote food and beverage products, provide and beverage service to guests, provide room service, receive and handle guest phone service. So, the tasks to be performed are the tasks to be performed are take table reservators, set up table in the dining area, welcome and greet the guests, sit the guests, take and food beverage orders, licensee between kitchen and service areas, know the product, undertake suggested selling, carry out selling strategies, serve food orders, perform bouquet or catering food service, serve beverage orders. You will be given 8 hours to perform all the competencies and disqualifications. Your role as an assessor is to conduct the assessment, collect evidence of your performance, and make an assessment decision based on the evidence gathered. Your performance as evidence will be judged according to the 4 dimensions of competency, which are past skills, task management, and contingency management skills, and job role, and environmental, and also by using the rules of evidences, which are authenticity, consistency, currency, decency, sufficiency, and validity. The assessment methods that will be used for the assessment are the demonstration rule, play, and written or oral questioning. In this demonstration, all you have to do to perform all the units of competency enumerated for food, beverages, service. If you have any difficulties in understanding the instruction given with regards to the process of this assessment, just let me know so I can clarify and explain the instruction given to you in Filipino language. Candidates, I would like to inform you that during assessment, please refrain from using your cell phone or gadgets, because when the assessment starts, you will no longer allowed to use cell phone, and cheating and coaching are strictly prohibited. Please observe safety that first aid kit is located near in the door. In case of fire, there are fire extinguishers we brought at the back of the room. Find an emergency seats and properly labeled in case you encountered any untoward incident. After performing all the activities needed for this assessment, I will give my feedback to you individually. So if you have any concern, question, and doubts, and the result of your assessment, you have the right to appeal. You submit a letter to the Tarlac, TESDA Provincial Office. About the assessment result, we observe strict confidentiality. Only authorized person and the institution where you have your training proper are allowed to see the result of the assessment. About this, the assessment package is kept for those who will be evaluated is competent insurance of the exit will be after 5 working days. Just bring with you your competency assessment result. Summary 1, piece of passport size photo with a white background, and color, and 50 pesos for the processing fee. The validity of your national certificate for 5 years from the date of insurance. And for those who are evaluating are not yet competent, don't worry because you can still apply for assessment. And the produce is the same as you have undergone for this assessment. Before we end this orientation, if you have any question, concern, or clarification about the assessment procedures, you may raise your hand because whenever this assessment starts, you no longer allowed to ask questions and questions. Any question? I will now give you 1 hour to attend to your personal needs. This is a comfort room and the back. And if you want to eat, there is a canteen beside this room. However, during the assessment, you are no longer allowed to go out this room. Please back on time. Welcome back, candidates. We will now start with your assessment. I would just like to remind you about the do's and don'ts from this moment onward. You are no longer allowed to use your CP. Please observe in silence in the assessment. Our cheating is strictly prohibited. Let's start with the written test. This is used to measure your underpinning knowledge. It consists of 30 items, multiple choice of question. We have 30 minutes to answer this. Timers start now. Okay, time's up. We will now proceed to the with demonstration. Here, copy the specific instruction. We have 10 minutes to read and understand. Time okay. Timer start now. Okay. Time's up. The demonstration is used to be the understanding skills and knowledge of UCS of this qualification. Come and follow the demonstration area. Before anything else, I would just like to remind you once again to always wear your PPE and observe safety as you conduct the performance of this assessment. Here are the different stations. Discuss what we need to perform. First station, I will give you 5 minutes to familiarize yourself with area in the assessment, room, the equipment, and tools. We have 8 hours. Up. Go back to your seat. We are now on the last part of this assessment, which is the oral questioning. I will be administration. The oral individually to please, and candidate number 2, please proceed to the waiting area and wait for your candidate number to be called. As I administer the oral questioning to candidate number 1, please come in front. Thank you, please. Thank you, candidate number 1. Please call candidate number 2 to proceed to the waiting area for the result of this assessment. Candidate number 1, I already checked your papers in your assessment. I will give your feedback individually. Candidate number 1, please come and follow me. Candidate number 2, please wait for your candidate number 2 to be called. Your question. How do you feel about the assessment? With the said, thank you. With the said, congratulations, I found you are competent with this assessment. You will join your SC after 5 working days at the TESDA provincial office from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Just bring your competency assessment results. Summary, 1 PC passport size picture, white, with white background and color, and 50 pesos for the processing fee. For the confirmation of this assessment, when you sign this card and rating sheet, your cards will be released with the assessment center manual. If you don't have any question, you may now go to waiting area wait for the TESDA representative, because he will also evaluate this assessment program. And please call candidate number 2. Candidate number 2. How do you feel about the assessment? Thank you. With the said candidate number 2, I have found you not yet competent with this assessment. You may still apply for reassessment of the process in this stage. For applying on assessment, just bring to accomplish application form and self-assessment. First, 2 pieces of passport size with white background and color, and 500 pesos. You have submit all your requirements in any TESDA accredited center and wait for the announcement of the next schedule of assessment. For the confirmation of this assessment, can you sign these cards and rating sheet? Your cards will be attested first by our AC manager, so you may claim it later. I will now give the assessment package to the TESDA representative, my dear assessor, and that's at my COC demonstration, conducting competency assessment.